Topic: India. The Golden Bird and its glorious history. India was referred to as the Golden Bird in ancient times, symbolizing its immense wealth, cultural diversity, and advanced civilization. Rich in natural resources, India was a hub of trade, education, and knowledge. Civilizations like Mohenjo-Daro and Harappa flourished in ancient India. Later, during the Maurya and Gupta empires, India achieved remarkable progress in art, science, and economy. Renowned universities like Nalanda and Takshashila attracted students from across the globe. India was a leading exporter of spices, silk, and precious gems like diamonds. Its trade routes extended across Asia, Europe, and Africa through both land and sea. However, foreign invasions and colonial rule gradually diminished India's wealth. Yet, the title, Golden Bird, still reminds us of India's historic prosperity and rich culture.